welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on one of Jo Marie's projects. It's cute little hedgehogs. There's actually 4 big hedgehogs, and I've got it stitched down the center because the backing was kind of special. It was pieced out, so it needed to sit right in the center. So to make sure I had everything lined up, it was just a bit of measurements and so on, and moving the fabric back and forth just to make sure I had everything nice and even. And aren't they beautiful? Cute little hedgehogs, let me tell you. So we tried to find a hedgehog stitch out, and that didn't work. So we was just free motioning some ideas just to fill it in and make it look nice and cute and pretty like. So here's a gorgeous green and purple one, and then we're working on this one over here. It's the brown with the, I love the pink, the lovely, I don't know, this fabric is just awesome. So I've just started, because hedgehogs live out in the woods, and just a basic little wood green sort of stitch out, okay? And just slowly and steady. I've got a nice linen colored thread for the top and a nice gray for the back, because the back is all lovely, lovely colored gray. Just gonna lock in some stitches here. And just slow and steady, just follow what I've already done right here for the wood, and then we're going to come up in between the spikes or the furriness of the hedgehog, and of course we can always stitch in the ditch, but we probably won't get that far, so let's just come put her on here. Okay, 12 stitches per inch, sorry, not itch. And you just want to echo it, and then also make room for another one. Another little knot that happens in the trees, right? I'm just going to follow to here, follow the stitch there, come back down. I think we'll just go all the way down. Follow it with a nice little curve. And then back up again, stitch there. Sometimes Walt doesn't want to go this way. Got to get him at the right speed. Okay, so moving up. Everybody had a very safe and happy Halloween last week. We had a good time here. A little wet and windy, but we still had some trick-or-treaters. And now we're all getting ready in for Christmassy stuff. We've already got the base of the tree up. It's not decorated. That's the first for us in a very, very, very long time, if ever. We had it up before our birthdays. But we needed a little Christmas around here on the weekend, so we set it up. Sometimes you just need a little Christmas right this very minute. And just have fun. Just fill it in. Go exactly see what the greens of the trees look like. And just have fun exploring. And it's just going to add all this little depth and texture to your whole project. You know, I believe this is a gift for someone. Okay, we're just going to lock some stitches right here because I don't want to come up to the bar. I don't want to bounce the bar. Okay. I believe this is a gift for one of her family members, and I hope they love what we got going on here. All right, we can start back up here on this one. Lock some stitches in. Oh, did Walt miss there? Oh, he did. Okay, well, we can go back and fix that. That's not a big deal. Well, that's pretty much how I'm gonna put all this together. I'm just gonna put the wheel down so it locks because the belts are off, and then do some just fun stuff around in the border. Probably just get a nice little fun stitch out. So, really, Mr. Magoo? Okay, and I'll probably do a little bit more filming on the other ones. We'll see how the time goes, and we'll just go from there. So, hope everybody has a fantastic, wonderful Wednesday. We'll see you on Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern, where we're going to continue working on our Christmas quilt, the royal red with the cardinals and the fussy cutting and stuff like that. So we'll get some fussy cutting done this weekend. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check us out on Patreon. Your help is greatly appreciated. It helps things go nice and smooth around here, and you know, all those beautiful cameras and hanging out and equipment and stuff makes everything go so much better. So take care, enjoy, have a great day. Big hugs from us at the Mom Pop Quilt Shop, and some hedgehogs.